Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you assign a task in your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to assign a task in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing a lot of different projects or potential deals with a team, sometimes tasks can fall under the rug. So if you can assign a task and attach it to the account, anybody who's working in that account will be able to see what needs to get done. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and assign a task, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is you want to click on accounts here on the left. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the accounts you're working on. So for this video, I'll click on Yahoo. Once you've chosen the account, up here on the top, you're going to click on tasks. Once you've done that, you're going to see all the tasks that currently need to be done. But to add a new one, you can click right up here, add task, and you can name this task or just list off what needs to be done. So if this is for a catering deal, look for chicken supplier for 500 people catering. Okay, next what we're going to do is off here to the right, we're going to set a deadline on this. So let's say this needs to be done in 3 hours, we can choose there. Or let's say that we can do it within a week, we can click there. And then here we can go ahead and assign it to our team. So I'll click right here. You can start choosing the people on your team. Once you've chosen everybody on your team that you want to have this task, click on save, and then you're going to click on add. Now, anytime anybody shows up who's working on this particular account, they're going to be able to see that we have a task by clicking on here. So it looks like they need to make a spreadsheet. That one's due this coming Friday, and then a chicken supplier due by next week. Another way you can do this is you can click on tasks here on the top left, and it's basically the same thing. You're going to add a task right here. So find a beef supplier for 1,000 people catering. Okay. And then here we're going to go ahead and add the account. So this is for Yahoo. So we'll just click Yahoo and then choose them. And this part's the same. So we'll set a deadline. This is due in 2 days. And then we're going to go ahead and choose our team members that need to work on this task and then save. And then we'll click on add. So once again, anytime somebody goes to our Yahoo account, they're going to click here and then tasks. And you can see all of the upcoming tasks that have been assigned to this particular account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to assign a task to someone in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.